Hi guys, today we're going to do a shout out video and we're doing the shout outs right now, so let's hop into it.
The first shout out goes to
Epic Ireland, the second one, Professional Pranksters, third, Liam Highland Vlogs, fourth, and Liam Highland Gang, and fifth, Patrick Dowling Byrne.
Yeah, so
and we have number 6 is
Number 6.
Kieran Highland.
yeah, so
Kieran Highland, if we forgot him, we should put him on the list.
yeah, and what's it called? So I'll just say it one more time. So it's Epic Ireland, Professional Pranksters, Liam Highland Vlogs, Liam Highland Games,
And
Patrick Dowling Byrne. So go and like and subscribe to all these people.
And comment.
And Kieran Highland.
And comment
So-
down below.
So yeah, go like and subscribe to all these people if you haven't done that already. And if you want anyone to get a shout out, like if you have a YouTube channel that you want to shout out, or if you know like a friend, like one of your friends has a YouTube channel that they want to shout out, just comment down below and we'll make a shout out video part 2, and your friend or you can get a shout out. So yeah, we are just going to, I don't know, what should we do now?
I don't know.
Killed him.
I don't know.
Killed him.
We can record some Fortnite gameplay.
Yeah.
Oh, that was stressful.
But like one of the main shout outs goes to Epic Ireland. So make sure you go to his channel and like and subscribe, because he's only like, I think he started his channel about a week ago.
About a week ago.
Yeah, so I think he started his channel about a week ago. Yeah, so it's a kind of new channel. I'm not actually too sure when he started it, but I'd say it was about a week ago.
Wait. We'll pause the video and see what we're gonna do.
Just
Yeah.
record me playing some Fortnite first.
Wait, just before we pause the video, what's it called? Yeah, so my friend's kind of new to YouTube. I'm actually not too sure when he started, but yeah,
Luke, you're ready.
he's pretty new. And so make sure you go like and subscribe to him. His name is Epic Ireland, and like the logo, like the way our kind of like YouTube picture like is like a football. His is like an Ireland jersey. So make sure you like all his videos and subscribe. And
Let's think of what we're gonna do now.
Luke, I'm not ready. Luke, I'm not ready.
Don't try this at home, school or anywhere, kids.
Luke,
Don't try this at home, school or anywhere.
The worm.
Don't
Who wants to see the worm?
Don't try that at home, school or anywhere. Okay.
This is what
Our craziest video in the world. Okay? Don't try this at home, school or anywhere. Go.
I'm just gonna get ready until you come here.
About a week ago, I went to go.
wait, what?
I'm driving myself in a But you didn't know that I had a mustache. I'm on a balcony. I'm on stairs.
You know the way. Here, guys. Do you know the way all the YouTubers say? Here, try some. Here, try some. Here, try some.
boy.
This video is like a shout outs video plus random stuff.
Hey, Luke,
Like a random stuff video.
take this.
Yeah, let's have a whippy challenge.
No. This is way too
Wait. Turn on the light bulb.
I hit you right in the face.
No!
Right in the face, brother.
Oh!
That's actually really hurting. Oh gosh.
He has the drums.
Okay, sorry. You're gonna eat them now. You're gonna eat them. Here. I'm gonna eat them now. You're gonna eat them with me. It's my birthday. It's oh my god. No, it's my birthday. Do you know the way when it's people's birthday, they always have stuff coming down from the roof? It's because,
I know you're lying.
like, do you know the way they always have balloons coming down from the roof? Live candy.
Oh, that landed on me.
Guess what happened? The man
Not even
that
game.
fell from fall damage.
Living party. Dude.
I'm eating mustaches.
It's my birthday!
Dude. Dude.
About a week ago.
Go add these people as a friend.
No, don't. I don't want my fans if I had any.
Wait, what?
I am the fans.
You just made me end the video. I'm joking.
The following ago.
Give me that.
So guys, this is his inventory right now.
Here, did Luke complete?
My loot. No. I don't think so.
Look at this tack.
Luke, game's on.
Game's on.
Good.
Can I have a solo game?
Yeah.
I'll probably die.
Guys, I feel sick.